Hello everyone, welcome back. If your iPhone won't update to iOS 26, don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll explain what's happening and how to properly prepare your device. The official release of iOS 26 is expected to be on Monday, September 15th at 10:00 a.m. Pacific Time. Sometimes, your phone doesn't have any issues at all. Apple releases iOS in batches, so it may take some time for the official version to appear on your device. If the update hasn't appeared yet, it might simply be due to a push queue issue. Please wait a moment and try again later. If you were previously using the iOS 26 beta, make sure to opt out of beta updates and switch back to the official release channel in the software update settings before attempting any updates. First, make sure you're connected to a stable network. Open Safari and check if you can access apple.com. If the website loads fine, but you still can't update, you need to adjust your settings. Try turning off Wi-Fi and updating your iPhone using cellular data. If network issues persist, a more effective solution is to reset your network settings. Go to Settings, then General. Scroll to the bottom, select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and tap Reset Network Settings. Be sure to remember your existing Wi-Fi password, as you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi after the reset. After your iPhone restarts, try updating again. If the problem persists, you'll need to investigate further. Go to General again, but this time select iPhone storage. Scroll down until you find the iOS 26 firmware and tap it. Delete the firmware, then try downloading iOS 26 again. If you still can't update wirelessly, don't worry. You can use ReiBoot to upgrade your device. ReiBoot is a desktop utility for Mac and Windows, designed for iOS system repair and upgrades. Think of it as a one-click installation guide for the latest iOS firmware without having to wait for an update. It can also repair devices stuck on verifying, updating the Apple logo, boot looping, or in recovery mode. Connect your iPhone using a reliable data cable and unlock the screen so your computer can trust the device. Open ReiBoot, select Upgrade/Downgrade, select Upgrade, confirm your iPhone model on the screen, and download the iOS 26 firmware package. After the download is complete, tap Start Upgrade. Keep your iPhone connected and do not use it during the upgrade. The phone will automatically enter the desired mode. If prompted to enter recovery mode, follow the on-screen instructions. If you're still experiencing update failures, return to the main menu after restarting. Run the standard repair process to fix common boot and update errors without erasing your data. Only if your system is severely damaged should you consider a deep repair, which will reinstall iOS, but may erase your content. Therefore, please make sure you have a backup ready. If the system upgrade is successful, your iPhone will restart and return to the Hello screen or the iOS 26 home screen. Your iPhone has successfully upgraded to the official iOS 26. This method is simple and effective, and most importantly, no data loss. That's it. If this video was helpful, please like it, subscribe to get more iPhone repair methods, and let me know in the comments which method worked for you. See you next time.